Here is our reference image and we will try to create this kind of design. It's easy as well as tricky, so let's start. Here you need to add a cylinder with the 64 verts. Then rotate this cylinder into the 90 degree and then scale it along the x-axis. Then you need to add a center loop cut and then add a bevel on it. Add a 2-segment bevel and give the bevel width. Then you need to add one more cylinder and this time you need to give the 64 vertex count for this cylinder. Then rotate this cylinder into the 45 degree or 60 degree, just we need to give the proper angle and position at there. Now you need to select these face loops. Here you need to calculate the face loops. There are 8 face loops I'm going to select. Then you need to select the front and back face and then press P for the selection to make a different object. Then delete the remaining part and we will get only this much part. Then you need to adjust the scale of the second cylinder along the Z axis and X and Y axis to perfectly match it with the first cylinder. Now you can see that looks really well. Select both the cylinder and use the Boolean operation difference. So we can create this kind of design at there. Just add one loop cut at there. Then apply the Boolean modifier and delete the cutter object. Now we will get this kind of part. Just here you need to merge the words properly. Just merge the double words. Then select these words and then press M and merge at last. That looks really well. Just add one loop cut at here. And then select these words and then connect them with the connect vertex pair. Then you need to use the knife tool and create a straight cut. And then you can select everything, take the symmetry. So we will get good topology at there. And select these faces and use the insert operation. Then you need to select these edges with a shift select. And then press Ctrl B and add a bevel. You need to add a 2-segment bevel and shape factor should be 1. Then delete these faces. Just select these faces and then delete them. Then here you need to adjust the position of the words a little bit to create a decent looking edge loop structure around that design. Then you can take the symmetry and then you can select this face loop and delete it. Delete these faces. Then you can hit the Ctrl 2 to add the subdivision modifier and to check the design. And you can see it looks really well. Now the remaining part is very simple, just you need to duplicate it and rotate it to complete that cylindrical form. And now you can see, select everything, press M and merge by distance so double words will get merged. Then select this edge loop and then press F to fill the gap. Now you need to select the center words and you need to connect them in this way just to create the right topology at there. Then select these words and connect them. And you can see I'm getting the chord-based topology on the model. Just you need to try to maintain the good topology on the model, chord-based topology. Then you can create a little bit of design and just add more details on the model. So in this way you can create this kind of design. You can play with the different vertex count for your cylinder so you can get a different results. You can deform the form a little bit to achieve different results. So it's totally depend on your artistic choice. You can play with the initial object's dimensions and the vertex count to get a different results. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. And if you like this video then please hit that like button. It's motivate me to create more content. Bye bye, see you next video. Take care.